Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Cavallo and welcome to the Catholic Faith and Sacraments summer course. Regardless of your experience with Catholicism, religion, or faith, you're welcome in this course and know that your perspective and what you bring to it is very important. This little video is just meant to be a tutorial of both Canvas for this course, what to expect, and to make sure that you're ready to go as we start this week. So this is our home page for our course. Every time you log on, you'll see this. There's a little explanation here about the course that you can also find on your syllabus. To your right here will be any upcoming assignments you'll see for the first module. There's a quiz and a writing post, which I'll explain in a little bit. On your left here, there will be tabs, and these are basically the tabs to get to everything on the course. So for example, if you want to see the syllabus, which I recommend that you read before starting, you'll click on syllabus here, and it'll take you to this page, and you can access the syllabus here. You can download it, view it in your browser if you like. Here are also the required texts, Meeting Jesus in the Sacraments, the student edition by Michael Amodei, and the UCAT. You should have both of these books in order to begin the course, as the assignments and the readings are required from these texts. You have the Bible, which you can find online links here for, and then some helpful tutorials. One is for how to post writing posts on the discussion board, which you'll have to do for the first two modules, and then how to use Google Docs, how to write a paper, and how to use Google Slides, which will all be important for your papers and projects during this course. So there are tutorials there. To access your modules, you'll go to the module tab here, and whenever something is published or ready to go, you'll see it here. So the first thing to do is an introduction. It's basically a general introduction about yourself, and I will then post one so you know about myself, and you can just click here in the reply. And that little tutorial on how to post on the syllabus tab will show you how to do that. Then we have our first module up, what are sacraments. Notice you can only access the different components of a module by finishing the first one. So every module will be pretty similar. You'll have a section that will be pray and read. It will share with you the objective, have an opportunity to begin in prayer, have some either different videos or lectures from myself in the required readings for the module that will come from either Amodei's Meeting Jesus in the Sacraments, the UCAT, or other required readings that I will upload. Once you finish the readings, you will take a quiz, and the quiz will be based off of the materials from this first section. And quizzes will always be 1 point per question. There might be a different amount of questions each quiz, but they'll be pretty much around this range. Afterwards, you will be a section where you'll reflect on what you've done. And so there might be some videos or articles to try to connect what you've read and heard about to yourself personally. And then the assignment that you'll have to submit by the end of the module. So for this first module will be a writing post. There'll be a writing post for the first two modules, and that's to get you comfortable in the course. And then afterwards, there will be either a paper or a project each week. Primarily because since this is a full credit course, and full credit courses usually take 24 weeks, since we're completing this in 12 weeks, we're kind of compressing things down to make sure that you learn all the material and to get that one credit in time. And then you'll submit that. Note that any papers or projects are always submitted either via Google Docs or Google Slides, and you submit that by sharing that with my email, which is on the syllabus. Otherwise, the writing posts you'll post on the discussion board, which when you get to this part on the writing post, it will take you there. But you can also access all these things individually through this side tab. So if you wanted to find the discussions, like the introductions one, you can see it on the modules. We come to the discussions tab and it'll be here. It's the only one currently available because you haven't completed the other steps to get to that writing post in the module. If you'd like to see your grades, you can go to this grades tab. So currently you'll see that the only two things that are showing are the quiz and the writing post, which will be due on the Sunday of this, at the end of this module week, July 7th, and how many points it's out of. Grades are out of total points. So the writing posts are out of 20. Any papers or projects that will go, which will come under Unit assessments will be out of 50 points. Module quizzes are 1 point a question. Writing posts, as I said, out of 20 points. There are no discussion or replies. And the final assessment, which will be the entire last week of the course, week 12, will be out of 100 points. So basically, at the end of the day, your total amount of points, how many you get out of how many you could have gotten, that will be your final grade. So that's pretty much a quick tutorial of our class, where to look and how to do things. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can email me at dgcarv@gmail.com, and I encourage that you email regularly, whether you have questions or making sure you're understanding the material, or if you have any questions with assignments or struggling with it or need more time. I am always here to help you, but I need to know that you need help to do so. So by all means, and we're looking forward to starting this course with you.